Ever wondered how people land high-paying jobs by just analyzing data and creating dashboards? Data is the new oil, and by choosing to learn data analysis and visualization, you have made the right choice. Every business today runs on data, from sales and marketing to operational and strategy. That's why skilled data analysts are in massive demand locally and globally. If you can analyze data and turn it into insights, you can become invaluable. What exactly is data analysis and visualization? It's the art of collecting data, cleaning it, analyzing trends, and presenting the results using tools like Power BI and Tableau. You help businesses see the story behind their numbers and make smarter decisions. Now imagine combining that skill with AI. AI helps you forecast trends, automate analysis, and generate real-time insights faster than ever. Smart analysts are using Python, machine learning, and AI dashboards to wow their employers and clients. As a trained specialist, you can become a data analyst, a business intelligence analyst, data visualization expert, market researcher, or freelance data consultant. And yes, you can work remotely, earn in dollars, and land jobs across Nigeria and Europe, US, and beyond. Here's what you master at Bismarck Technologies. Introduction to data analysis, Microsoft Power BI and Tableau, Python and R for data science, SPSS, Stata, SAS, SQL for data querying, Excel for data cleaning. Build an interactive dashboard with Flow and Dash. You will go from zero to pro even if you've never touched a dataset before. Now here is why you should choose Bismarck Technologies. Practical hands-on training, a trainer assigned to you to guide you. Every student builds a real-life project before graduation. Small-size classroom, no crowded classroom. Flexible payment plans available, online and physical classes available so you can learn from anywhere in the world. We don't just train, we prepare you for a tech career that transforms your life. And guess what? You don't need a degree to get started. If you have one, that's great. But what really matters is the right set of training and the right set of skills for you to succeed in this digital age. So register today at Bismarck Technology so you can learn data analysis and visualization. Don't delay. Opportunities in tech won't wait for you anymore. Let's help you get started today so you could build a successful career as a data analyst.